Today, we're going to take you to one of Bali's most undiscovered waterfalls in Sidemen, Telaga Waja Waterfall. We're going to see why this place is so remote and if it's worth checking out. Good morning, we're here in Bali. Today is the day we're going to start our motorbike road trip. We're here in Canggu. We're going to drive directly north. We don't really have a plan or a set date that we have to return. Trying to find more things I haven't been to because I've been to a bunch of places last year and I have a whole bunch of videos already posted on that. But for now, we got everything packed up. Got our bag here, and this is all of our stuff. Got our clothes here, toiletry stuff there, and then like warm clothes there. For 2 people, that's all we have, which is pretty good. Try to pack very minimal, so it's not a pain in the ass trying to move things around later on. Lots of space. There's a lot of space. Pretty much all packed up. We have a lot more storage than I thought we would have, so it's good that we over prepared. Some storage here for phone. But yeah, in here we have a cell phone charger and a flashlight. That's a locking one. And then our helmets we'll just carry with us. And then we're gonna be carrying the backpack, so that'd be pretty good, portable. So we did a little door knocking. First place we found is called Embang Homestay. Comes with this nice view here. While we're negotiating a price, we got a deal, $250 a night. Got some food here, munching on it. We're gonna go down and see what the ladies down there are doing. They're cutting up some rice, so we're gonna check some of that out. It's like the last step in the rice field before the rice is sent off. I'm not sure the entire process. What you mostly see is the bright green grass kind of off in the distance. This is the last stage of the rice when it gets cut. So we're just kind of killing time watching them do it. What are we doing here?
We make a rice. Harus habis ya, Bu ya?
Ya. Kuat tenaga. Habis bayunya. Hilang bayunya. Nah, Mbak.
Aduh, tumpah.
So what we're doing here, we're smacking the rice bundle on the edge there. And what it does, it shakes the rice off.
Your turn. Sabar. No, you should finish it. Harder.
That's all of it.
Okay.
Yeah. So this here is what the rice looks like when it's all been shaken out. What they do after that, I'm not sure, but that's the first stage of the rice being collected. So we're just here hanging out, enjoying the view. Took a little nap earlier. Trying to decide what we want to do for dinner, whether we eat here at the little cafe or go up the street and just look for something interesting. Kind of taking it easy tonight. Tomorrow probably gonna wake up early and do some more exploring. Now this is the first day, so it's more of just a relaxing, get settled in and kind of go from there. It's day 2. Look at that. Got our morning breakfast. Some fruit. Not just 1 pitcher of coffee, but 2. Look at that. It's probably the best free breakfast I've ever had. with a hotel. You got a little snack there. What a great breakfast.
Make it move.
Yeah, look here, not there.
Oh, I
Here.
see.
Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Bye bye.
So we just got done eating. We're gonna check out some rice fields, maybe look for some waterfalls. No actual plan, we're just kind of winging it. Just go drive around and just look for some fun little photo spots and just kind of go from there. We're here at some Rice Terrace viewpoint. The sign's over there. Can't really see it. There's an angry, grumpy dog over there. And someone taking selfies. Yeah. She's got her helmet on just in case she falls.
On the water. It's very cool.
I don't want to get my hair wet. So we're trying to go to this waterfall, and on one side of the river there's private property access. We're on the dirt road for like 10 minutes and we had to turn around, so we're gonna take the scenic loop all the way around, see a couple other things along the way. And the name of the waterfall is So we finally made it to the waterfall. We had to drive all the way around, but it was a nice scenic drive, and there's not many signs, or really there's no signs at all until you're about 100 meters from arriving. So I'll put a little map on the bottom there to give you a good direction of which way you need to go if you want to check out this waterfall and not get lost and have to ask a bunch of locals to find out where it's at, when you can just follow this map and you'll get here no problem. And the pathway so far looks pretty good. Look at that. These have sharp little thorns on it. So far it's just a bunch of steps going down, but they have like the green slime on it. If it's raining, it'd be very slippery. But this time of the year, we're in the middle of May, so rain doesn't really happen too often. So I think this is one of the best times to go to waterfalls because it's less likely of rain and everything is nice, green and lush. But of course, on the weekend, it'll probably be more people. So I specifically like to travel only on weekdays. Like we started this trip Monday, and we'll probably finish up or stay somewhere stationary through the weekend because I don't like being around busy crowds. Imagine going to a waterfall and there's like 300 people there. That'll be a complete waste of time, in my opinion.
Welcome to jungle.
Yes.
With jungle girl.
Jungle girl.
Ian,
Yeah.
dilarang mencari bonsai, berburu membuang sampah. You cannot take like their plant from this place. Don't throw trash.
Oh, that's what she said. All right, cue the music. We've made it to the waterfall. So we made it. I had to swim upstream for about 3 kilometers in some heavy currents, but I made it. Look how strong that current is. Oh, there's a waterfall. Look at that. That is the waterfall. It doesn't look like it's a big waterfall, but it was worth the hike. is that? My first waterfall in 2022. I want to check out as many waterfalls in Bali as I can. This is the first one this year. I went to like 2 or 3 last year. I want to do some more. Totally worth it. Well, that was a fun 2 hours, taking some selfies. Almost fell in a few times, almost dropped the lens. Now we're gonna hike back and figure out where we're gonna go. I'm doing that while I'm talking to myself. And figure out where we're gonna go to sleep tonight. We don't have any hotel reservation bookings. We just kind of wing it. Go day to day. So yeah, we're just figuring out what to do next. We just drive in the direction that we want to explore next, and find a room before 4 or 5 o'clock, get some food, hang out, relax, and then do it all over again tomorrow. So the hike down is about maybe 10-15 minutes. It's all stairs. There's like a little tiny stream at the very end you have to cross, but if you're going to a waterfall anyways, you should expect to get at least your feet wet. But it's a pretty easy hike. Almost anyone can do it. Kids, families, pretty much anyone. It's free. On the way back, some guy asked for a cigarette. We gave him 20,000. So I guess if someone asks for a donation, that's pretty much your price to get in. Essentially, it's free, but sometimes the workers here who keep the place clean will ask for a small donation. So just give them 10,000, 20,000. They usually appreciate when you do that. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on my very next adventure. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one.